Hey everybody, so I got another guess what's in the bag video. Well, it's a box video, guess what's in the box video, but the item's in a bag. Got it from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is going to be another guess what's in the box video. Just a quick little video, items in an Amazon bag. I will give you a hint. It is a DeWalt item. It's not a tool, it's an accessory. And we'll measure the package. So the actual bag size is 12 and 1 foot and 1/8 of an inch wide by 17 inches long, and it's about, with a kind of a guess, it's about 2.5, 2 3/4 inches tall. The actual item is 7.5 inches wide by 12 inches long. Let me know what you guys think. Just figured we'd have a little more fun. I always unbag them or unbox them anyways, but you know, just a little fun, quick little video, pass the time. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Let me know what your guesses are down below in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Go smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!